In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to Squarespace website. Easy tutorial, 2022. We're going to create a clean, dedicated reviews page on your Squarespace site and use the built-in testimonials section so your social proof looks polished and on brand. Start by opening your Squarespace website and heading to your Pages panel. In the sidebar, look for the area that's highlighted to show your current navigation. That's where we'll add the new page. Add a blank page so you're working with a fresh canvas, then choose Page as the type. Give your page a clear name so it's easy to recognize in the sidebar. Something like Reviews or Testimonials works well and will be highlighted there once you confirm. If your site organizes content under collections such as Events, select that location in the sidebar so your new page sits where you want it. Then open the Reviews page you just created. Click Edit to enter the page editor. On the empty canvas, select Add Section. In the section library, scroll to the Testimonials category. Squarespace provides pre-designed blocks specifically for reviews, which saves you from designing layouts from scratch while keeping everything responsive and consistent with your template. Choose a layout that fits your brand and click to add it. With the section in place, open Edit section to customize it. First, go to Background to set the tone. You can use a solid color, a subtle image, or a pattern. Keep readability in mind. Reviews should be easy to scan, so avoid busy images behind text. Next, open Colors and pick a theme that provides strong contrast between text and background. This improves accessibility and makes your testimonials pop. Then go to Design to fine-tune the layout. Here you can switch between carousel and grid styles, adjust spacing, and choose how many testimonials show per row. Pick a style that matches the rest of your site and the amount of content you have. Now click Text inside the section to replace the placeholder content. Add real quotes, the reviewer's name, and optional context such as their role or location. Keep quotes concise and authentic, and format them consistently for a professional look. If you have a mix of short and long testimonials, place the longer ones toward the bottom or in a slider so they don't overwhelm the page. When everything looks good, click Save at the top to publish your changes. You now have a dedicated reviews page with a customizable testimonials section that matches your brand. That's all it takes to add